What a painful death. I gotta get some pictures. But the video is so good. I mean, he's all up in him.
Oh, Jesus. This is so nasty. Oh, God. Oh, this is nasty.
Let me tell you something. Bob ain't see this. Oh! He pulled out the intestines. Oh, Lord.
Oh, dude. You know what? Seriously. Yo, this is nasty.
I need my other camera.
Jesus.
I need my other camera. I swear I want to take more pictures and I can't because this video is killing me.
I want to not enjoy this as much as I am. God, what's wrong with me?